This 2018 Keystone Montana 3810 Mega Siemens is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Santee, California, 90271 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Santee. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 66 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, outdoor entertainment, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.